It's your boy YouKnowTGreen, and I'm back with another episode of Doc Talks. Put that fish on ice, baby. Let's go.
He tried to gun it a few times, but he can't get out. He gonna have to wait the high tide. Let's see, he gonna try. She trying one more time. Nah, they should have pulled in instead of reversing
The
in.
girls don't even think.
Yeah, the girls don't even know they stuck. They don't care. Hey. They living it up though. Kentucky Belle. So we headed back to the marina right now. Go pick up a few more friends, then we headed back out to the ocean. We having fun. See the paddle boarder. The dog in the canoe with the dog. Dog got a safety vest on, so that's what's up. Finna pull up to the sandbar, y'all, get something to eat real quick. You already know. Low tide, so you can see the sand a little bit. Yeah, that's fine.
Greatest president, Donald J. Trump. Under the leadership of Donald J. Trump, we had 4 years of peace and prosperity. No new war.
But they ain't playing.
Record low gas prices. Record low inflation. They secure the border.
So we just put in our order for a pizza.
Tell the truth, we need them.
We just put in our order, got us pepperoni and cheese. I'm probably looking so rough and face all salty. We've been getting ocean water splashed on us. Been out here fishing. Look at my hand, y'all. Look like Michael Jackson right now. Look at my son's hand. You look like Michael Jackson? So we finna eat, vibe for a little bit, then we headed back out, man. We gotta go catch some more fish, man. You already know how we do. But y'all see where we at, man. We just chilling. Sandbar ain't that packed right now. The low tide just coming in, but you know, it's about to happen. Get out here and get you a tan. Oh, you saw a big starfish? That's what's up. There we go. All right, man. We just ate a few slices of pizza. We back out here live action. He see color here.
Yellowtail.
Another yellowtail.
Oh, no.
Oh, another towel fish. Dang. Big dog on
That's
it.
what it is, bitch. You got a parrotfish.
Oh, man.
Oh, that's what they want. I just don't want no more.
Was that the keeper one?
Bring it
Hold
in.
on, June. Keep your pole
I'm keeping
straight.
it anyways. It's a
Cause
rat.
you got that braid. We don't want that braid to get across that monofilament. That's a nice pair of fish. We just got to make sure it's that one. Remember that game warden said we were close to being the
That
different?
is a rat.
Is that a
Just
ras?
call it a car. That's what it is, rat. I've been doing it for 465 years. Damn, we got the braid and everything tied up?
Yeah.
I never used a braid in my life.
Oh, bruh got one.
You on top of
We
them,
doubled
man.
up. We doubling up. So finally the back of the boat got some action here, YouTube. Oh, he just broke off my dog. Damn. Damn.
He had me stuck on the side. I felt that.
Damn, y'all. Y'all seen it live in action, man. We had a double up. The back of the boat just caught one and then, man, it popped off, man. Whoa. So the expert, what he did wrong, expert? Y'all seen it.
My dad just caught one. Probably a grunt or a ruby lip, I'm not sure. I got my pole in the water still. See what it is? It's a ruby lip. No, grunt.
You on top of them.
Ooh, this a big one. It's a big one, OG Nate. Turn that clock. Ooh, boy. Back to back bites. There you go. Good move, good move. You stay under and let him be over. So you don't lose your oh, it's a hold on. Just stay with keep willing. But stay low. Oh. I'm home now, it's over. Write down real quick. Yeah, that's a big one. This one definitely going on YouTube. Okay, we back live in action. My boy done caught one. He fighting. He was mad he lost one a minute ago. We don't know if it was a mutton or something. So he was determined. We put back on a piece of squid, and now my boy at it. Yeah. Y'all hit them, boys. They just had a big one too, and he lost it almost close to the boat. Y'all see it? Yeah, the snapper killer. Look at him. I'm telling you, boy, my boy, the hardest 10-year-old out here, boy. I'm telling you. He done caught the biggest thing. Y'all check the old videos now, go into history. We back on Big Blue. They got, oh, we seeing color. Oh, we seeing mutton. Is it a mutton? Oh, yeah. Ooh, wait. We don't want to lose him. Hold on, be patient. Oh, he was just in the corner. Look how good. Boy, give me the tap, boy. Look how you barely had him, y'all. Let's go. Uh-oh. Y'all already know when that music go down, that means Big Dog Raw got one. Don't tell me. Y'all know he always catch the biggest fish every time. Yeah, amberjacks, groupers. Fish scientists, man.
I don't know. Here you go.
Now we're gonna stay positive how you be.
I got him coming now.
If not, worst case, it's a black tip, and then we're gonna have some shark steak.
Oh, he definitely ain't no shark. I got him coming.
Either way, right now it's the season. We can catch anything.
Like
black
now.
tip.
You fighting like a mutton now.
We have some shark steaks.
Yeah, good. Oh, he got off.
Second time today. Oh man.
He took the hook that time.
Oh man, he lost the fish, man.
I think it was the grouper.
Well, the music got to go back up now. Shark came and ate it.
Shark.
You fighting him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. He fighting.
Oh, he was hurt.
You called it out. You saw him on there.
Yeah, there was a whole school of them.
So many things that I don't understand. Sometimes being in a position I'm in with no militia intent, my nigga. But take it how you want it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, my boy. Oh man, that's a nice pork. You know how good that meat is, boy? Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. That we doubling up. We back in the back of the boat. Y'all live in effect. Bro got one and he ain't finna let this bitch lose this time. We finna pull him in. Y'all already see. Back to back. That's how we do, man. Oh, what is? Oh, it came off. Ah, he gonna get him next time. Let's go. Back to back. Big dog caught one. I just caught one. Now my son on it. We don't know what the back of the boat doing. No more 5. Y'all better switch to this kid. They don't want that hand. Oh, look at what. This lady got a nice heart on it. Y'all see how he popped out like he ain't, it's all good. We need to get. We doubling up. Oh, they fighting to get to that fish. I can't see who got it. A grunt, that's the biggest one I saw. Wow. That's the biggest one I saw. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Don't forget, like and subscribe.
Yes, sir. You got it. So, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. This your boy, YouKnowTGreen, and see you on the next one.
Put that fish on ice, baby. Let's go.